If your name or case details are showing up on Justia.com, you're not alone. Even if the case is old or resolved, it can still damage your reputation. The good news is, Justia offers options to remove or de-index court records for free. If your case has been sealed or expunged, Justia will remove it completely. All you have to do is email dockets@justia.com. Include your full name, the full URL of the court record, and attach proof that the case is sealed or expunged, like a court order. Once they confirm, Justia will take it down. If your case is still public, full removal isn't possible, but you can still stop it from showing up in search results. Go to the Justia support page. We've included a link in the description below. Select the option for blocking a Justia link from search engines. Include the URL, your name, email, and a brief explanation. This won't remove the page from Justia, but it will add a noindex tag so it gets dropped from Google and other search engines. You can speed this up by using Google's outdated content tool. We've included a link to this in the description as well. While both options are completely free to do yourself, if you need help, our team of experts at Guaranteed Removals are here if you need it. We removed over 1,300 harmful court records for our clients in 2024 alone. If you need help removing or suppressing court records from Justia, click the link in the description and get started today.